Okay, people, we're here starting a new project where this is where we'll be for a week or so. We're doing a little pickleball court concrete slab, 16 by 33, 32 foot 9, really, right in this area. You can see those paint marks there. That's the corner. It's an extension of this existing slab, I guess. So 16 feet off that slab, and then down 32 feet 9 inches to the end of that other slab. So we're going to do an over-X here, form it up, put some road base in, compact it all, and pour. And we're going to pour Monday. And that's 5 days away. So I will be demoing that planter box and removing that basketball hoop post. It's in the ground here with the footing. It's loose already, so it should come out relatively easy. I don't want to damage it, so I'll be gentle. And when I get done with that, I'm going to use all that native over-X to grade this stuff off. There's some piles over here that I'm going to remove. Then I will take that trampoline, which is a 12 or a 14 foot diameter, I'm not sure, and I will dig it in the ground here. We're going to set it in the ground. So I'll establish a grade, knock these piles out. They're all overgrown with white top and all sorts of weeds. So there's another pile right over there that I'll knock down, and we'll get that trampoline hole dug. I got my little trailer here with form boards, my bedding compactor, and some concrete stakes. It should be all I need for now. I've got the rest of the business in the truck. I'll get my laser out when I need to and shoot in some grades. Right now I'm gonna unstrap this load here. Get this bunk of boards off, and then we will start the grading. Okay, so this is what we got. We're rigged up on that pole. I'm going to just hopefully not damage it, but oh, I think it broke. Probably broke it. So I'm just going to gently lift. And I'm now going to do the unthinkable and push my strap down. You should never do this. Never push your strap down. Oh, my strap fell. Okay, let's get this thing done here. Yeah. All right. Anyway, we'll get it out. We'll get it out. I definitely am not interested in having any sort of, see right now that thing's on that hydraulic hose up there, and I don't want to have any sort of issue that way. Oh, there it is. Track back, hold this concrete base down, and then try to push it out with that blade. Here goes. And we got it. Good enough. Good enough. Okay, now we'll figure out what to do with this concrete base. We'll just set it over here for now. All right, well, got this thing graded out, subgrade anyway, and I'm running my compactor around here, so let's go for a ride. Jeez, my air filter fell out. Is that normal? It doesn't seem normal for the air filter to fall out. That is not normal. All right, let me get this fixed. Okay, the air filter fell out, which is probably normal for these Chinese plate compactors, but I went and put some string line over it. Should be good. what's going on here. All right, well, that's done. It's prepped, ready for forms and then road base. Tomorrow I'll set the forms, pull my screed guides, and get ready for road base to show. So that's pretty cool. All right, well, we're now setting our forms here. Got quite a bit of fill on this side I'm going to have to take care of before the road base goes in. So, but this is what we've got. 16 wide, 32 long. So anyway, I just set this thing with the string line, squared it with the 3-4-5 method, and set the top of the form board to, I set the top of the form board to that elevation, this concrete existing elevation. There appears to be a 1/4 inch per foot slope on this existing slab, so I can't pick a singular spot. I'll just end up, you know, hitting these with this form and that form down on the end with the laser, and then I'll string line this thing, this back 32 foot long form for top of form. Anyway, whatever, you get the idea. A horseshoe. Oh, so that's the goal. Should have some road base show up today at some point, hopefully. So we'll get all that taken care of. Alright, well, that's enough of that. Okay, here we are, all formed up. These boards are not form boards. Those are my screed guides. Those are what I'll run my, screed across. Run along that end, and then the other side of my screed will run along that end. Once I get this first part poured and screeded, I'll pop this board out real quick, and then we'll pour the rest of this middle section. My screed will then run on the basically the existing screeded cement as a guide, and then the other side of the screed will run along that other board. So that's sort of how it works. So I should be in good shape that way. And I think that we'll be all right. And then obviously the last one, it does the same. So what I'm going to do now is sort of take and finish some of this grading. Get this stuff pulled out of here. This dirt, this excess material, and sort of push it up, level off some areas in the yard. Take this couple piles here and dig those out, level them off, and then that's where the trampoline's going to go. So should be good. Should be pretty straightforward. Should be, anyway. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Kind of a goofy deal, but oh yeah, I got to get my road base in there. Got to get my road base in. 3.5, 4 inches of road base is going to go in. So we're kind of deep in a couple spots, but should be all right. So